In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort alphabetically in Excel, how to sort alphabetically in Microsoft Excel, how to sort from A to Z, how to sort from Z to A, that is, how to sort in ascending order and how to sort in what? Descending order. Steps on how to sort alphabetically in Microsoft Excel. So if you look at this data, we have If you look at this data, we have the title, the type, the release year. So these are movie titles. So what you need to do is this. First of all, you click on, if you want to sort by the title, maybe I want to sort this by the title, you click on anywhere on the title. Let's say I click on this now. So I can either go to home. If you go to home, you go to the editing, you see your sort and filter, click on it. So you can either sort A to Z, sort A to Z, that is lowest to highest, or you can sort by Z to A. This is ascending order, this is descending order. Or you can quickly come to data. If you come to data, you go to sort and filter. So any of these works. So you come here, sort A to Z, or you can sort Z to A. This is ascending order, this is descending order. So let's sort ascending order A to Z. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see that the first one becomes is A. So if you come down, you can see that from A you move to B, from B you move to C. So this is it. This is how to sort from A to Z. So if you want to sort in the reverse direction, maybe Z to A, you go back to data, go to Z to A, sort Z to A, that is descending order, click on it, sort from the Z to A. You can see that, see Z, Y. So this is basically how to sort A to Z or Z to A in Microsoft Excel.